Hey guys, welcome back to my sewing room. I'm Kelly and you found me here on Pick and Stitches. And today I'm going to be unboxing for you this last fat quarter bundle for the month. I'm pretty sure this is the Lori Holt, but let's jump on in and take a peek. You know me, I really like these fat quarter bundles. It's fun to get backfill. I pull out of this stash all the time. We kind of live a little bit further out, and so I end up not wanting to go to the quilt shop or the store to get my finishing items. It is Lori Holt. Oh, you guys, this is so pretty. Look at that. It's like a rainbow of Lori Holt happiness. Okay, so I'm not sure what's going on with Fat Quarter Shop. They've been just a little bit later on sending some of the Lori Holt stuff out. So I'm sure they were just waiting on the stuff to come in. So this is the Fat Quarter Club for May 2024, featuring fabrics by Lori Holt from Bee and My Bonnet Co. So these are, looks like a combination of a couple of her lines. We'll see if we got any selvage and then we can tell for sure what it's from. I don't know, guys. I just really like to look at these before I break them open. They never look quite as pretty when I fold them back up. All right, and I'll show you the card as well. I pull out of these all the time for my different applique projects. Anytime I need just a little bit of something, if I'm making a scrappy border, these are perfect to just have back there because these calico prints tend to kind of go with just about anything. So, and I love that, like, if you stay with one designer, you do get a lot of matching things. But if you have a couple different designers in your stash, it's really surprising when something from Three Sisters will match something that I've got of Lori's. So definitely don't get shoehorned into thinking you have to stay with one designer, because you absolutely don't. But in the beginning, it might be kind of nice to help you with some color choices. Okay. So I don't think I have anything that's this color teal of hers either. You guys, I think I need to make something. I've got an overflow of my Lori fabrics here, but I don't think I have anything that's that teal colored. Maybe one fat quarter. I was saying the other day that I wanted to make like a teal and gray quilt, or even like a teal and orange and gray. I don't know. But if I just pulled kind of this greeny blue, I just think that would be really cool and really pretty. So we've got just a dot pattern, and a lot of these are going to be calicos. They have different values based on how much contrast is in them. This is almost like a reverse of that. Oh, these are cute. These are little scissors. I don't know. I don't need any more sewing fabric, but I just think that's really cute. And it's subtle. It's not going to take over your whole quilt and be like, oh, this quilt is about sewing. And we've got some great geometric designs here. Look at that. That doesn't feel super Lori to me, but I like it a lot. Now this feels like Lori, and I love it. Look at how bright that is. Those yellow flowers mixed with the red and the blue. I really like that a lot. That would be a really fun, what fabric is that? Okay, so on the card, it says this is C14394 denim. That would be a really cute border or backing. I would like that a lot. It's a little small for a backing, probably a border, but that's really cute. And I know this is from Mercantile because I've seen it before. I like that color a lot. And this one is really fun. Kind of reminds me of the backing that I did on the Spring Ivy from the Fat Quarter Sew Sampler box. I believe that was the May box, but it kind of reminds me of that backing a little bit. I like that. That's really cute. It's like a little flower where the petals are just an echo of the one before it. So pretty simple design, but it really has a lot of impact. And we're kind of getting into a little bit more pinky reds. I don't want to call that salmon because it's definitely pulling a little bit pink, but that's fun if you're blending pinks and reds for sure. And this is a really, really dainty print. That's cute. And this is probably the smallest gingham I've ever seen in her collection. Her scale is usually like quite a lot larger. But I like that. I like that a lot. It's really kind of hard to look at in this much fabric, but as a border, or a binding rather, I think that would be really cute. Really cute. And then we've got kind of that same thing. A lot of her fabrics are going to bridge from one color to the next. So I wouldn't necessarily put pink and darker pink and orange together. But because of the way this collection plays out, it just works. It's seamless. I love it. And it's a floral pattern with a lot of curves and circles, but then it's laid out in a grid format. So it's almost kind of boxy in that aspect. I just like the combination of the design and the color. And then I think this is from the B Cross. Let's see. Yeah, B Cross Stitch. So this is kind of a... it's like a golden mustard color, and I think that's going to pair nicely with all of those other fabrics. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with this. This is a beautiful rainbow of colors. I may have to get a second Lori bin. So, but you know, these are problems I don't mind having. I don't mind having a lot of fabric to choose from, but I definitely need to make something out of this guy and kind of thin the herd, if you will. So yeah, I'm excited to get this bundle. I can't wait until June to get here because we are a little bit behind. I think hopefully it will be coming soon. If you've got any ideas of quilts that you want to sew along with me, definitely put a link in put a comment below. Let me know. I'd love to have some new ideas. I'm definitely working on some different tutorials and trying to just kind of branch out in what I'm sharing. So I'd love to hear what you want to see. And if you like these videos, unboxings and tutorials, definitely hit that like and subscribe. Everyone helps and I appreciate it. And don't forget our private Facebook group. I'd love to see what you guys are working on. And until then, I will see you guys next time.